Welcome to my channel. I am Mensah Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to build the mathematics community. I welcome you to my series on integration by parts. So in this lesson, we will solve some examples to improve your understanding on integration by parts. So join me as we go through it. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. Now, the first question that we are going to take is the integral of x to the power 4 times natural log of x all squared dx. Remember, this is lesson 3 on this series. So check the illustration for lesson 1 and then lesson 2. Here, we put down the integration by part formula. Integral u dv is equal to u v minus the integral v du. Then we choose u and dv by using the acronym ILATE. So here, this is inverse trigonometry function, logarithmic functions, algebraic trigonometry, and exponential function. So if we look to, we don't have any inverse, but we have logarithmic function. So we take u to be equal to natural log of x all squared, and it has left with this. So we take our dv to be equal to x to the power 4 dx. That is algebraic function. Now, we have to differentiate this to find our du. Then we have to integrate this to find our v. So let's do this. If we integrate the v, x to the power 4 dx, then we get v to be equal to x to the power 5 on 5. We have not finished, so there's no need bringing the integral constant. And here, if we let t to be equal to natural log of x, then it means that u is equal to t squared. The derivative of u with respect to t is equal to 2t, which is equal to 2 times natural log of x. And the derivative of t with respect to x is equal to 1 divided by x. If we differentiate natural log of x, we get 1 divided by x. If you want videos on derivative of natural logarithmic functions, check the description for that video. So here, the derivative of u with respect to x will be the derivative of t with respect to x times the derivative of u with respect to t. And that will give us 1 divided by x times 2 times natural log of x, and that is 2 times natural log of x divided by x. Wow! So here we have our du on dx to be equal to 2 times natural log of x divided by x. Now let's make the u the subject by multiplying 2 by dx. So this implies that du is equal to 2 times natural log of x divided by x dx. So now we are good to go. So here we are going to have the integral u dv. This is our u, and this is our dv. So we have x to the power 4 natural log of x all squared. Or let me write it as I wrote before. The same thing is equal to u v. This is my u, and this is my v. So I have x to the power 5 divided by 5 times natural log of x minus the integral v, x to the power 5 divided by 5 times du, that is 2 times natural log of x divided by x dx. So that this will cancel this. You have x to the power 5, and you can factorize 1 over 5 out. So we are going to get this to be equal to x to the power 5 divided by 5 times natural log of x to the power 2 minus 1 divided by, okay, 2 is here, so 2 divided by 5 rather. So 2 divided by 5, the integral x to the power 4 times natural log of x dx. Now, We are going to take this one to and integrate using integral by parts again. So let's clean this portion. So for the integral, x to the power 4 times natural log of x dx, we take u to be equal to natural log of x and div equal to x to the power 4 dx. Here, the derivative of u is equal to 1 divided by x dx. And here, if we integrate div equal to the integral of x to the power 4 dx, you get v to be equal to x to the power 5 on 5. And I'm going to put this into this. So here we have the integral x to the power 4 times natural log of x dx is equal to u. That is ln of x, v, x to the power 5 on 5 times natural log of x minus the integral v, that is x to the power 5 divided by 5, and what is our du? Our du is dx divided by x. So this will give us x to the power 5 divided by 5 times natural log of x minus the integral x to the power 4 dx times 1 out of 5. Can factorize 1 out of 5 out. X will cancel x to the power 4 and you have x. Sorry, x will cancel x to the power 5 and you have x to the power 4. So we still have this to integrate. So let's integrate this before we go and substitute it here. So here we have x to the power 5 divided by 5 times natural log of x minus 1 divided by 4. Sorry, 1 divided by 5 times x to the power 5 divided by 5. Wow. So this will give us x to the power 5 times natural log of x divided by 5 minus x to the power 5 divided by 25. So now we are going to have this as x to the power 5 divided by 5 times natural log of x squared minus 2 out of 5 times x to the power 5 times natural log of x divided by 5 minus x to the power 5 divided by 5 plus the integral constant c. So this will be equal to x to the power 5 times natural log of x divided by 5 minus 2x to the power 5 times natural log of x divided by 25 plus 2 on, oh here you have 25 here. Yeah, it is 25 and 5. So you have 2 on 125 x to the power 5 plus c as our final answer. Wow. Very nice question with a nice solution. And let's take the next question. Find the integral natural log of 2x plus 1 dx. For this one, how do we use the isolate here? This is a composite function. You see that we have natural log of this. Wow. And then we have an algebraic function inside the natural log. So what do? We first do the u substitution first to break this one down. So let's say that if we take u equal to 2x plus 1, we are not following this. you want to break this one down 4. Then we are going to have du to be equal to 2 dx. Wow. And now du divided by 2 is equal to dx. So this one will now change to the integral natural log of u times du on 2. Wow. And now we can factorize 1 on 2 out to get 1 on 2 times the integral natural log of u du. Now, for this one, we will use the islets because we have u du. So here, what do we take for our u? So now that we have u here, we are not going to write integral u dv equal to u v minus the integral v du. I'm going to take my f and g. So here the first one will be the integral f dg equal to f g minus the integral g df. So that's what we are going to take. So now we will take f to be equal to natural log of u, and then dg to be equal to df. That is what we are going to do now. Sorry, dg equal to du. Dg equal to du, right? So here we have our f prime to be equal to 1 divided by u. And if we integrate dg and integrate du, we are going to have g to be equal to u. Wow, very simple as that. If we integrate this, you get that. Now we are good to go. So what do? We have the integral f, that is natural log of u, dg as du to be equal to f is natural log of u, then g is u. So I'm going to have u natural log of u minus the integral g, that is u. And what is the f? The f is 1 on u. You get it? So times 1 on u du, as we have written du here. Very simple as that. So this will give me u times natural log of u minus the integral du. And this is the same as u times natural log of u minus u plus the integral constant c. I think the last question that I solved, I brought the integral constant. Yes, I got it. So let's move on. Check how I did this. Here, I've used u substitution here. So that is why I did not use this formula. So I've used f and g in place of u and v. So don't be confused with it. Don't confuse breathing with respiration. Breathing is the movement of the chest that allows the intake of oxygen and output of carbon dioxide. But respiration is different thing else. And let's keep that for science people, and let's concentrate on the mathematics. Okay, so here we took f to be equal to natural log of u, and then we took dg to be equal to du. If we differentiate f with respect to u, we have df, that is f prime, df to be equal to 1 on u du. Very simple as that. So that is why we substituted it here, df. And here dg equal to du. If we integrate, we get g equal to u. So that is that. So let's do our substitution. We are going to undo the u substitution here. And remember, we have half here already, so we have to use the half. Now we are going to have this to be 2x plus 1 times natural log of 2x plus 1 minus u, and u is 2x plus 1 plus the integral constant c, and we have half multiplying it. So let's put it here and then we put the half there. So this one is now going to be half of 2x plus 1 times natural log of 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 oh shit, let me put it in brackets, plus the integral constant c. Wow, that's our final answer. That's our final answer. Or we can write all of this under a common denominator, 2x plus 1 times natural log of 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 all divided by 2. Wow, very, very nice as that. That is it. Plus the integral constant c. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.